Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account and network basics so you can eliminate easy causes quickly. Check your carrier account for unpaid bills, planned maintenance, or service suspension. Call customer service if unclear. Once done, perform a soft reboot and toggle airplane mode for 10-15 seconds to force a re-registration with towers. Then power off, remove and reseat the SIM, if possible. Test with another active SIM to determine whether the issue is the SIM or handset. Now you perform deeper diagnostics to pinpoint network versus device faults. First, move to a different location and compare signal bars. Switch between 4G, 5G, and 3G to see if one works better. Then update carrier settings and the phone OS, because outdated firmware can break registration. Reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles. Re-enter APN values if data fails. Run speed and latency tests to identify congestion, and review call barring or blocked numbers that might prevent outgoing or incoming calls. Finish by escalating and applying final fixes so service is restored or workarounds are in place. Contact your carrier and ask their provisioning or engineering team to re-provision your line or push a carrier setting. Request a SIM swap if the SIM is suspect. If all else fails and you've backed up data, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure to document what you tried. If still unresolved, enable Wi-Fi calling. Use carrier-provided hotspot or a loaner phone to keep communications running.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.